Alrighty guys, just as I suspected. Y'all remember the Wrangler with the cousin Pookie and replaced all these O2 sensors. The next thing he told him it was a PCM and blah blah this, blah blah that. After they tried to rewire, what we call overlay the O2 sensors. Well, I guess they had enough, the customer had enough, and they ended up here. Guys, just as I predicted, I told you, alright? It took no time to get this repair estimate approved. All right, y'all remember on part one, it's like a 20-minute long video where I performed the diagnosis, and it led me to the O2 sensor upstream, left bank 1, upstream O2 sensor. My diagnostic led me to this, and I found out where somebody had tried to do an overlay on a repair. Well, that didn't go too well or something. I don't know who did that. I don't care. My job is to find out what's wrong with it. So I had an hour allocated to find the problem. I found the problem. I even went so far as to provide a dummy fix just to verify that the problem will be fixed. Sometimes mechanics have to fix a car to tell if something's going to fix the car. Did that make sense? I do it all the time. I actually gamble. And you can't really technically unfix somebody's car. Just say you fix it, or you got the complaint, you find out you need to fix it in order to find out if this will fix it. Then you try to sell it, and they say no. Yeah, technically you're a butthole to unfix it. Unless it's something major, all right? But yeah, it's crazy unfixing a car because you pissed off that they decline. Some people decline work because they simply don't have the money. All right, so let me explain what I'm doing here. I'm going to, as you can see, I use my cutters right here. Now this is the connector in question. All right, forget this part of the sensor. We got this out of the loop. It's a brand new, I don't know, Derman O2 sensor. I don't know. But I cut right here. This is the white wire that's going to the battery. Remember yesterday? So I cut right here. Here's my plan. I'm going to put a butt connector right here. And I'm going to ground that right here. You see that bolt I got right here? I don't know what this is or what it goes to. However, it's going to be used as a ground port. Alright? So I don't need this anymore. So I'm going to unhook this from the battery. It was rubbing on the exhaust and all kinds of crazy stuff. So this harness ain't going nowhere no time soon. In fact, it lives right here in this area. So this would be a good place to make a new G101 ground. Alright? I don't know what G101 ground is at. I don't care. This is going to be the new home for this sensor. Alright? It's only one problem. I don't have any butt connectors. You know what? About to take a trip to AutoZone or Advanced Auto. Alright, y'all can go with me, man. Let's get it, man. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna run in here real quick and get me some kind of little butt connector repair kit. I'm trying to make a external ground for G01. Alright, instead of hunting down what actually G01 ground is, I'm gonna create one. Alright, guys, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Whatever's feasible, whatever to get the car fixed. Okay, I can't go hunt down a particular ground, so I'll just make one. Yeah, that's what I'm being paid to do. They said fix the car. I have to rig up, not rig, I'm using the wrong word for this profession, but I have to make one in order to get it right. So y'all hold tight. So now, where's the electrical? Ooh, that was quick. I just need to, yeah, something like this. Damn. Whoa, buddy. I didn't come up here to spend no $10. I mean, this won't be the only time I need it, so yeah, I just need to make a ground. But I want an assortment, okay, just in case I need to do another size at one time. Alright. Alright guys, I'm gonna go with this. $5. Alright. Chances of me needing this again is probably a little higher now. Y'all heard about the trim guy. He's no they're going assortment. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't come up here prepared. Here go a real good assortment right here. However, yeah. I don't need that many. I just need this. It's $4. Still kind of high, but I got to get the job done, guys. So I'm gonna invest $4 of my own money. Remember, I'm getting 3-hour wiring repair to fix this. Okay, y'all know what the equivalent. Well, I'm talking too much. Okay, my hourly rate times 3. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm making off this job. All right. Yeah, y'all know what the going rate for a top ASC master, Dodge master. I don't know what kind of name y'all done gave people nowadays. ASC not really. It's not really a bragging. Although people get in my comment section bragging on that all the time. They be like, "Buddy, you wrong. I'm ASC master mechanic, and I can tell you what you saying is wrong." Like, bruh. Yeah, they really feel the need to let me know they ASC master. They passed all their tests. Okay. I chuckle. Yeah, before I type ban, so am I, guy. We just have a difference of opinion. Okay. It could be 2 ASC master mechanics arguing about one little simple thing, and that's okay. They just have a difference of agreement. People think they get in my comment section and reiterate the fact that they got all their ASC certificates in the automotive. In other words, they're a master, that they're now superior. That now what they say is superior over what I say. No, that's not how it works. Man, let me get out of here. Y'all got me. All right, I gotta go. All right. Here goes nothing. Let's get back to the shop and get this Jeep Wrangler fixed, baby. Yeah, it's your boy, JT the car guy. I gotta go. All right, guys, I'm back. Y'all remember my plan? Y'all see me pick this up. All I need is one. Man, I hope the diameter is the same. So I'm just gonna butt connect that into here and attach it right here. All right, it's gonna be the new ground. I need both my hands to do that. All right, y'all stay tuned. Hold tight, man. All right, guys, I had to whip out the big boys. All right, crimp that bad, baby. Look what we got here. Yeah, so much professional. Instead of running a damn black wire all the way up to the freaking battery. I don't know where that went, but it's going in the trash now. So now all I gotta do is put it inside this screw and tighten the screw, and you know this is grounded because it's attached to the block. In fact, I already checked it. So let me get this attached to this, and we're gonna verify that it's fixed, and we're gonna be done. I'm gonna wrap all this up, man. Stay tuned. Yeah, I need both my hands. Y'all hold tight. All right, guys, that's it. I got it grounded. Let me plug this back in. There you have it. Y'all see how I got that professionally attached out the way. I'm gonna cut that. We're gonna get rid of this. Guess what? I'm done. This car is fixed, baby. Your boy, JT, the freaking car. Let me clip that off, put this panel back on. We done. Oh, alrighty, guys. Looky. That's right. This bad boy is fixed. All right, guys. Y'all remember this Jeep 07 model? Okay, checking the light on was active. All right, meaning it was real. This is a stick, so you thieves don't even think about stealing this. Thieves not too sharp. They can't drive a stick. But guys, back to my prediction that I made when I originally made this video. We turned in this estimate, do you know, within, it wasn't even an hour. She was saying, okay, fix it. What's taking y'all so many? That's what I say. Some of y'all in the comment whine more than the customer. The customer's not whining. The customer like, that's it? That's all it takes? 600 and what? How much? Okay, fix it. One guy in the comment, 3 hours, it's dealership prices. No, what's his name? Damn, my buddy. The dude always calling this place a dealership. Dealership strikes again. Oh, man. Professionalism strikes again. That ground wire that guy ran is out of here. That overlay, I made a ground wire, a real ground wire, and stuck it on a real ground port that's stable right there on the point. So it's not going to rub on anywhere. It's not going to do anything. It's going to stay there. The lady didn't need a $1,200 computer. All right. When you being told, and think about this for a second, the computer's $1,200. They probably charge 3 hours to put it on. So you're looking at 12 plus 6, almost $2,000. You get an estimate for 3 hours at $600 some. Which would you take? Which would you be happy for? You came in expecting to pay at least almost $2,000 to get this 07 model fixed. You get a call back from the shop. Yes, ma'am, we found your problem. You got a wiring problem. All right, so now it's going to be a little hectic to get it fixed, but my guy think he can get it done. Only problem is it's going to take you, we're going to need 3 hours labor to do that at a price of such and such, 600 whatever. He said she didn't hesitate to approve that. Okay, guy, when can I come get it? You can come get it now. I'm done, lady. Yes, your boy JT, the freaking car guy. I'm freaking done. Guys, I gotta go. I hate these long videos. All right, this is a stick. Ooh, I gotta get used to this. Y'all notice, when you're driving a stick, let me tell you something. So let me go back in neutral. Do you see this? I got one foot right here, my left foot here. I got a right foot there. I got a right arm here. I got a left arm here, or hand. Let me tell you something when dealing with a stick. You need all of these. you need both feet. You need both hands, both arms. You need this one over here, and you need this one up here, and you need a foot on the clutch and a foot on. You need everything. You can't be handicapped or crippled messing around with a stick. All right. So I said all that to say this. I can't drive a stick and record, so I gotta go. Your boy JT, I'm out of here.